If you find yourself sluggish, you may find that one simple change to your routine could make a big difference. Lemons, and lemon juice in particular, boast a lot of health benefits because they are loaded with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, folate and iron. Here are just a few reasons you should add a bit of lemon juice to your morning water. Number 1. Lemon can act as an anti-cancer agent. Lemon helps to protect your body against cancer because of the antioxidants in the citrus fruit. The antioxidants slow aging and reduce the risk of developing cancer cells. Lemon also acts as a neutralizer, which helps balance the acid levels that encourage cancer cell growth. Number 2. Lemons can help your lymph system. Your lymphatic system helps your body get rid of fluid in the tissue, transport fatty acids, and helps your digestive system run properly. Lemon juice helps by replacing lost fluids so your lymphatic system works better. Number 3. Lemons can help your brain power. Lemons contain high levels of magnesium and potassium, which help your brain and nervous system function properly. Because lemons also help increase hydration, you may also be able to concentrate at work better because you have more energy. Number 4. Lemons are a diuretic. If you're feeling a little stopped up, warm lemon water each morning and it will get your system back on track. Lemon helps flush toxins out of your system by encouraging the production of liver detoxification enzymes. Number 5. Lemons can help the immune system as well. Many people reach for vitamin C as soon as they feel a sniffle coming on, and for good reason. Vitamin C has been proven to shorten the duration and severity of a cold. Lemons are one of the best sources of vitamin C. Because lemon acts as an anti-inflammatory, it also helps to reduce the severity of respiratory illnesses. Number 6. Lemons can aid in weight loss as well. The weight loss benefits are a result of better digestion, detoxification, and increased production of bile, which breaks down foods and fats better. As an added benefit, scientists say that lemons help reduce cravings. Number 7. Lemons can liven your mood as well. Because lemons help your body work better in so many other ways, your energy levels get a boost too. Additionally, the high vitamin C concentration also helps to lower fatigue and reduce stress and anxiety. Number 8. Lemons have anti-inflammatory properties. As mentioned earlier, lemons act as a diuretic, which is good for your tummy and your joints. Lemons can also help reduce swelling and pain by flushing toxins out of your body. Number 9. Lemon juice aids in digestion. Lemon juice gets your liver moving and helps in the production of bile, which lets your body digest food better. Surprisingly, lemon juice may also help to ward off heartburn. Number 10. Lemons clean and clear your skin. Lemon juice is a natural antiseptic. You can apply lemon juice to a sunburn or a bee sting to reduce pain and swelling. Additionally, the antioxidants in lemons help reduce wrinkles and blackheads and give your skin a healthy glow. Number 11. Lemons can balance body pH levels. Despite their obvious acidity, lemons are known as an alkaline food. When the lemon juice mixes with water, it helps produce molecules in your body that balance the pH levels of your body. Number 12. Lemons can aid in curing a cold. A diet high in vitamin C can help reduce the severity of cold and flu symptoms. And finally, number 13. Lemon is great for dental care. Not only is lemon a great way to get fresh breath, it is also an excellent way to ensure your teeth stay fresh and clean. Try adding a bit of lemon to your toothbrush. So, how do we make lemon water? Well, to maximize the health benefits of lemon juice, squeeze the juice of about half a lemon into a glass of room temperature water and drink it first thing in the morning. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos like this. Thanks a lot and bye for now.